Demystifying possessive pronouns. The key to understanding ownership in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential aspects of English grammar: possessive pronouns. They are incredibly important, enabling us to express possession or ownership in a clear and concise way. By the end of this video, you'll be a master of using possessive pronouns in sentences. So, let's get started. To start off, we need to understand what possessive pronouns are. They are words used in place of a noun, and they show ownership. Some of the common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. An example of a possessive pronoun in a sentence could be, "This book is mine." It's crucial to distinguish possessive pronouns from possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, like my, your, his, her, its, our, their, describe to whom something belongs and they are followed by the noun. For example, this is my book. Possessive pronouns, on the other hand, stand alone and replace the noun. Using the previous example, you can say, "This book is mine." The word mine is a possessive pronoun, replacing my book. Now, let's practice using possessive pronouns in sentences. Remember, these pronouns replace an already mentioned noun, so the listener or reader knows what you're referring to. Here are some examples. Is this pencil yours? The smallest puppy is hers. The decision was ours to make. I believe this coat is his. Try making your own sentences using each of the possessive pronouns we discussed. It's a great way to practice. While using possessive pronouns, it's easy to make some common mistakes. A frequent one is confusing its, the possessive form of it, with its, the contraction of it is, or it has. For example, you should say, "The cat is cleaning its fur," not, "The cat is cleaning its fur." Another common mistake is using an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive pronouns don't require apostrophes. So, you should say, "The choice is yours," not, "The choice is yours." Well, that's a wrap on our exploration of possessive pronouns. Remember, these pronouns are powerful tools for clearly expressing possession in your sentences. Make sure to practice using them in your everyday conversations. We hope this video has made possessive pronouns a bit less mysterious and a lot more accessible. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.